So, my youngest brother just landed all the way from Port Harcourt City. Yes. And we haven't seen each other in like 2 years.
Let me help you with this.
Oh, it's not heavy.
No, it's okay. Definitely. They're taking you very far. Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
Look at how he came to hide.
It's the sun that I've been under the sun. I was not seeing any sign of you.
As I saw this tree and this house, I have seen this in the video. Where we are buying the lottery.
So how come you did not now locate it?
No, the bike man stopped me at the other side. Yeah. It's now when we came out from this house, I sighted that tree and this thing.
Okay. Because I know you used to know those now. So why was this so hard for you? What I have to take salute to that. Sure.
Very good.
It's okay.
Thank you.
They will raise
Ah, you know.
Fine.
They're looking fresh. Like fried chicken.
Like fresh. I go lose you. Like they look like fresh cookie.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Don't go and travel long distance.
Your work no dey sharp.
You won't spend more time. Just maybe I just the same vacancy and I don't pay. That's why I just not say the money I give. You know that weekend I just map out one weekend, go to the come back, go on that. I don't do that. So this small transfer I get. Man, you don't
Hard way to. Now if you say that place, they know they give you a serious punishment.
What would our punishment? Now you want to carry?
Because now military work now, that's what they give you now.
Punishment. Imagine.
Serious one.
So because I made three work there, when they give us punishment.
How you go to fresh like this? Which kind of now they do for you.
As I rough like this, it's fresh.
Yeah, when
Hey, Jesus.
Jesus is Lord.
I got a mess.
I never it had done me for them. I be it had done me resemble me.
Oh, that's so resemble you.
I go collect this sweater.
Hey! Finally, who go collect and not finally come? You know when people don't hide this sweater to collect this one? I know they dodge. You don't collect them.
How they go want take collect them? They don't know say
the collector don't come.
They will raise them.
How far now?
So, my youngest brother just landed all the way from Port Harcourt City. Yes. And we haven't seen each other in like 2 years. So, this is me seeing him after like 2 years. And she just came back and he went to buy things for me because he took night trip and he was not able to get anything for me. So, this is what he bought from me. This is ice cream, and this is chewing gum. My favorite. And what's here? I don't know what's his hair. Let me see. Pie. His voice you are hearing. This is pie chicken pie. This is chicken pie, but this one is bigger than this. Why? Oh, okay. I can see. So, and this is bread. Fried bread, as you can see. So, can your youngest brother ever come and say bye? Come and say hi to them now. Say hi to my audience. Hi. He's a camera shy person, but He has to just do it because this is a big sis. But it's gonna.
Why?
I don't know.
This one.
That after now, people will still want again. Now you are forming like you are not interested. You like to keep things somehow. Yeah. Very good.
Don't play with the ice cream. I never start.
Okay, never start, but tough. As you never start, leave am. Leave am now. I never. I know be papi they carry so. You say you never start.
I never start
We
now.
go start from the beginning now.
Wait. Maybe when I mix them now, I go.
We go start. We want to see as take they open the nylon. Everything matters.
Wahala.
Okay, they do am in 3 places. So
She's not this plate they like use though.
Who? Me? Which place?
This one.
Hey.
So I go do 2 here, do 1 here.
Okay.
You are serious for this. Make I don't go do water because you are serious.
You see the record that you master.
Yeah. Okay.
By the way, this bag is from my cousin sister. I buy it from her. She sells. So if you're in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria, you can buy from her. Her pap is very nice. She mixes different ingredients in it.
The video has a bit of a food go. Hey, man.
We want to see the secrets. What was the secret to this pap you make that is usually like perfect pap? We want to know.
If we ban a bottle water.
Let me open it. It's the way you people used to do. Take. You just want to know how you do it by a stick without any seed at all. What is the secrets? That's what I want to know.
So get I will not do it well.
Try it now.
Baba. What is this? That's what. Sorry. Is it Baba that is that job?
So see the texture. No. Raise it up. Use spoon to raise it. Caption now. She's seeing what he's doing. You don't go face your ministry, ba? Did you see that? Did you see that texture? Oh my gosh. Babe, ooh. Hey, two of them. You see, hey, this is the master. When it comes to pap, there's nobody that beats him in the whole world. The whole world. All you Instagram chefs that have been crying out loud. Eh? The pap is the biggest problem. Your enemy. Can you see how it is made? Even me too. I've seen the secrets. The secret to making pap.
Oh, that's the secret.
Yes, so. Yes, so. Just that this pap now will not reach us.
Happy? But when I was doing it, it's as if it's plenty now.
This is this is, guess what this is? This is mashed banana. Mashed banana. Why are you looking at me like that? But for me, the owner of the banana, all of you licked your own. You see cheating. This is what they call injustice. All of you licked your own. You reach my own. I say, let me share it with you people. You still started. Just imagine, my own is the smallest.
You get Basani.
You joined takeover.
You
Takeover is injustice.
wow, people did this word. People did this word.
Mash banana.
But no, I know. Wait now, before I go they turn them. After I go turn, everyone go turn their own the way they take the turn.
Okay, now my own at the turn now.
Put milk now. Okay, yeah, ginger. Ginger. Let me bring it. Let me bring ginger. Don't video me up. Shake it up. Like shake it. Yeah. Like shake it dirty. Shake it dirty.
How am I putting this one?
Put it 2 spoons. For me, you put 3 spoons for me. But for you, you can put half spoon. Because you don't use to add more. At all. I know. Abo.
Still wants more. It's okay.
Me of all people. Eh? Me of all people. How can I say such a thing?
You of all people.
Got you.
Oh, that's why I face it this side.
Yeah.
On one side, only one side now.
One side to be dropping.
He likes it to be pouring, not dropping.
Did you see that? Oh yeah, they go back at football. See, did you see that? Did you see that? See, that is dropping.
I don't know what to do.
I know this makeup not reached you then.
I've not reached me now.
So just add. Add for your own. I know you now. You don't reach you. You dey sure.
I should go. That one is strong bag. Do you know? Do you think you can see that your bag again? Your bag.
Are you saying it's stronger than this one?
Yes, now. Do you know how long you have been using that bag?
Hey!
Are you sure you can push this thing?
This thing is heavy.
You just leave it here. Yeah, it's not smooth.
It's not smooth. I'm just trying.
You will see him again now.
When? Should take long now.
Don't take long. He'll come back. He'll come back very soon. What do you go there, Agaba? Hey, if you drag it from there, to fall. Thank you.
So, safe journey.
Hey,
Safe journey. That's it. Safe journey.
Good evening, how are you there? Happy New Year. In summary, here are the 3 hacks or tips to making that thick pap that you want. First of all, the paste should not be watery. Try your best to maintain a thick consistency for the paste. 2, your hot water has to boil and then the bubbles has to stop before you pour it into the pap. 3, when you're pouring it into the paste, make sure you pour it round. Don't just pour it in one part of the paste, and then you can stir and add every other thing you want to add. You can add banana, your banana mash, your mashed banana, or whatever at all. Any other thing like ginger. I like to add ginger in my own. So I hope this was worth your time. Please do share this video so that other people can learn how to make that thick pap. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Please give this video a thumbs up before I forget. Yes. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, I remain Oluchi Sonia Okwena, aka Queen Ideas, the CEO of Snapdragon Consulting Limited, a social media specialist and author, the host for With Queen Ideas, a lifestyle and disability content creator slash influencer in Abuja, and an aspiring TEDx speaker living with physical disabilities as a result of muscular dystrophy. Keep striving with your talents, you will succeed.